Wait, these are not real studio photos. I generated them using a free AI tool. No photographer needed, no studio, no money spent. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do the exact same thing with just your data connection, your smartphone or computer for completely free. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to give you a secret trick to get the best results. The first thing you need to do is to open Google and search for Gemini. Click on the first link. If you are using your smartphone, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and download the Gemini app. Sign in with your Gmail. You probably already have one and you are in. You can see I have signed in. Select Create Image. Then tap the plus sign and hit Upload Files. Go ahead and select the image you want to use and click Open. As you can see, I have uploaded the image I want to use. Now I'm going to be using this exact prompt. You can see I've already pasted it right here. The image I uploaded is at the top and then we have the prompt beneath it. You can see that my prompt is a bit long. It is a detailed prompt. It has the exact details of how I want the studio portrait to look like. I'll scroll down so you can see the details. The hairstyle, the makeup style, the background color, props, the lighting, the camera settings, and the instructions to make it look real while keeping the exact facial features of the reference image. If you want this prompt, comment prompt in the comment section and I will tell you how to get it. I'll go ahead and click on send and wait for it to generate the image. Now this is important. The photo you upload matters more than the prompt. When you are uploading a photo, make sure you upload a photo that is looking directly at the camera and that shows your natural face. Even if you are with makeup, make sure it's without filters so that you will get a good result. That's your foundation and the AI will build everything on top of it. As you can see, it has generated an image for me. You can see it looks exactly like me. It's looking like a professional studio photo. I can even ask it to add beautiful sleeves to both hands of the clothes. Look at the result. This looks amazing. See how the sleeves it added looks very realistic and beautiful. I'll go ahead and click here to download it. And then it will save directly to my device. Let's try a different outfit. I'll use a different image and give it this prompt. Then hit send. Take a look at the result. You can see that this image looks exactly like the reference image. She looks absolutely stunning. Everything about her presence feels confident, polished, and even effortlessly beautiful. You can see that it looks as if it was taken from an actual professional studio. Now, I tried this with different prompts, and every single time, it came out looking like something you will see on a magazine cover, or even on an Instagram page with millions of followers. And honestly, you can do this too. Go ahead and create yours. I would love to see how it turns out for you. And don't forget to comment prompt if you want the exact one I used, and I will show you how to get it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends who will find this video very useful.